Okay, this is also a quick ride here. Okay, it's Storgatan 28 here in Tranås, in Storgatan, Sweden. 6 floors here. The number is NR 9511. Modernized by Nordisk Hiss.
Yeah, yeah, 1964.
Yeah, by ASEA-Graham originally.
Yeah,
Our basement floor. It has been probably modernized in circa 1994, I think.
yeah.
Best is 3 purse, also 255 grams. There's a beautiful staircase here.
Yeah,
To 4.
yeah,
They are not coming yet.
yeah.
But it was impossible also. Or we didn't try the code, but
Yeah. Miksi teit kaikki väiskytään me eteenpäin Nordisk Hiss?
well, you said it was well, it's not the best good
Yeah.
as Schäfer, but still.
Yeah, it's still okay for me, but yeah. Okay.
Green color.
Yeah, that's